Game 5, second quarter. And LeBron is pretty much destroying the Magic. And this is the serve.
I'm saving this for game 6 and I win.
Vaco is up 8 points. 2 minutes left. Vaco's only up 2 now. Dwight Howard surprised. I see Tim Donaghy on the court. LeBron has the ball taken away from him. Turkey glue dunks. And Emmanuel takes the lead after Vaco was up by 14 or something in the second quarter.
Never drink, people. Never drink. See how I told you, man, emotions?
2-point game. Oh!
No pressure,
And one for
No
Sean Lewis.
pressure, no pressure, baby. All smiles here. No pressure, baby.
Tied game under a minute.
No pressure, baby.
Orlando, 1-point lead. Game 5.
1-point distance.
And now Vaco takes the lead with LeBron dunking. It's down. It's down to somebody making a dumb mistake. Wow.
Dwight Howard made a shot.
Oh, baby.
Big man move right there. That's a big man move right there.
Okay, can we get that again?
That's a big man move right there.
I didn't know I was black.
I didn't know black people spoke like that.
I didn't know black people.
This is for everyone that knows Vaco.
You heard it here first. This is for
Puerto
everybody.
Rican
Oh my
girlfriend.
God.
This is for everybody that knows Vaco.
Stop the clock.
Wow. Look at all these alcoholic beverages he's been drinking.
Should I tie it or should I win it?
The question is, should I tie or should I win it?
Damn! The series is, I'm still gonna win the series.
Get down 3-2. Going into your home. You've lost 2 straight.
There's only one thing you can do. Can't beat him, join him. I don't have to play with Kobe. Do the same thing, do all day, just don't.
Well, here we are. Game, 6? Game 6. Vaco's losing with the Cavs. 65-79 to the Lakers. No more Magic. Apparently. The Magic ran out.
Strategy.
Strategy. Vaco's focused. In his mind, he's replaying the intro to that Jay-Z song with Maya. I'm focused, man. Tell stop to holler at me, man.
Yo, Kobe, you heard?
Track master, you heard?
Yo, check it. Victor is losing against the Lakers, and he about to do it. Nah, I'm about to blow up your spot. You suck like LeBron doing it to Shaq.
Those are Optimus Prime's rapping skills, which can be heard on Vaco songs, aka V Diddy.
Fix is losing right now. But coming back in game 7. Oh yeah. Yeah.
As you can tell, this couple should be on American Idol. And it looks like it's going to a game 7. And again we see this.
Enrique, who do you predict will win?
Vaco.
Uh-oh, baby.
I must be losing. It's never a good sign when this guy predicts you win.
I predicted the Lakers will win.
Let's go.
like a farting marathon here?
I haven't farted today.
You probably already did.
We have the silent ones, but the deadly.
Silent killer.
You're lucky no one's sitting near you.
In the flesh.
It's hard to eat flesh.
Be a business mentor. I did go to the high school international business. Nah.
And I went to the high school of
Game
health
7.
and sciences. I still don't know what the hell I even learned there.
We got to game
Yeah.
7.
In high
Prepare
school,
for
I
loss.
just learned a lot about nothing.
Prepare for a loss, Victor.
Try to scratch my balls at that wound.
In high school, I learned if you do homework, you get sent to the psychiatrist.
Are you clinically depressed?
Yes, because I did homework. 2 minutes left. Game 7. Vaco's losing 80-74 against the Lakers. Vaco looks like he's about to cry because LeBron's losing again.
I regret those jerking off moves.
Is Vaco gonna choke?
10-point lead.
10-point lead. And in the last half hour, Emmanuel and Jamie broke up. So for you single guys out there,
And if I win this game, we're here getting back together.
Maybe. That's a big maybe.
I don't want you back.
If Gus gets fouled out. Dun, 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 dun.
– 26 seconds. And the steal.
Victor, you forgot who I
Damn.
on my team.
Mamba with the ball, 15 seconds left. Tied game. LeBrenda versus Mamba. And LeBron fouls, putting Kobe on the line.
Oh!
Kobe misses the first free throw.
Damn, Jamie.
5 seconds left.
Damn, Jamie.
What?
He handed it to me on the plate.
Lakers up 1. 5 seconds left. Let's see what happens.
Pressure.
How are you going to explain this if you lose?
If I lose.
Vaco, are you prepared to make the
LeBron
shot?
inbounding?
LeBron threw away the ball.
LeBrenda.
Oh, they got it back. They got possession back. 3 seconds left now.
Nigga.
0.7 seconds left. LeBron dunks to win the game. It went in. It went in. But time ran out.
Oh, bullshit.
Mind you, we're in Cleveland.
You know what's the bullshit? I won this game, and none of you are acknowledging it.
Because the shot went in.
After the buzzer.
Actually, he released it on time.
You can suck my dick.
Can we get the replay?
It's too late for that.
Oh, yeah. A little too late.
Hey, Manny, what happened? Pressure, right? My balls don't feel pressure.
Sure. Yeah,
Show me that damn replay. Show me that replay. Get the light. Get the light. Yeah, zoom in, zoom in. You see that red light? I see him touching it. Oh, Victor won, but the ball went in. Damn, baby, that's some bullshit. Oh, the ball went in. Oh, damn. I lost, man. Pressure. Nah, I went in because, Victor can't win.